Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. But real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss another job lead, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. And as always, the links to any jobs that I talk about will be down in the description below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the huge cosmetics retailer Thrive Cosmetics. They are looking for a customer experience beauty advisor. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only, and this is a full-time position. Now, they have marked this as evenings and weekends. However, it says this position requires working evening shifts and or the weekends between the hours of 10:45 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you are in the Pacific time zone, that is more mornings and early evenings rather than like nights. But however, if you are outside of the Pacific time zone, you can convert that to your time zone. That would be more afternoon, evenings, and nights for like the Eastern Standard Time Zone. So make sure those hours would work for you. But this is a customer service role, and they are looking for someone to become the product expert in Thrive Cosmetics across beauty and skincare and efficiently respond to customer inquiries across email, phone, live chat, and social media. So you may not be on the phone the entire time. It says you'll juggle a high volume of competing priorities while effectively delivering world-class customer experience. They want someone to take ownership and initiative of all customer concerns and manage expectations accordingly. They also want someone to share vital customer feedback with internal departments, and it says you have to be able to work on the weekends and adapt to a flexible schedule. Now, they only require a college degree if you do not have any experience. If you have at least 1 year experience working in a customer service type role, then they do not require any undergraduate college degree. They're looking for someone who has a genuine passion for the beauty industry and likes sharing your knowledge with others. Someone who has strong organizational and project management skills, someone who has great verbal and written communication skills, but still has the ability to be friendly and engaged, and someone who has great, excellent interpersonal communication skills. Now, of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but it looks like the pay for this position is around $22 an hour. And of course, they offer a benefit package including 401k with up to a 4% company match. They include medical, vision, and dental benefits, life insurance, paid time off, and employee discounts. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.